God damn. That took a couple of hours. Freaking tow truck got stuck in here. Trying to take out that car because that car is stuck in there. But now it's out. This shit is badass. This thing right here towed the tow truck out of the creek right there. Stuck in there for a couple of hours. I came out here earlier and then you know, kind of helped them a little bit, and then took off, came back, and they were still here, and then this thing showed up. But unfortunately it's only engaged in two-wheel drive, but being able to lift the tow truck up high and shove a bunch of things under the wheel, this thing was able to pull it out. Pretty sick. I don't know, maybe it's time for me to get a truck too. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. You guys should be seeing this video in 2022, although it is still kind of end of 2021 for us. If you guys have seen the last video, we kind of talked about the roller coaster that I've been on the entire year, and I also kind of gave you guys a little bit of like insight of what to expect in 2022, just a little bit. There's a lot more to it, but we're just going to share all that with you guys as we go along. So if you guys haven't seen Herb's video, Herb is the homie with the purple wagon and his daily blue head gasket. Now, in the previous video of us tearing his engine apart, we found that the head gasket like literally disintegrated, and we also broke a stud right here, a bolt. So this block is bad because I don't have the tool to take that out. But a couple of days after we did that job, we went to go pick up another long block from the homie, and today we are back because we got some daylight, clear sky, some sun out, and we're going to try to tear this engine out and plant the new one in hopes of getting this car to turn on before the New Year's. Leo pulled up first because he is an early bird. He's been working on pulling off all of the the little things, and I literally just pulled up because I woke up late, slept late, woke up late, and then had to do my morning routine before getting out here. But we definitely have a lot more daylight than I usually am in the garage, so hopefully we get this knocked out today. Herb just took off to go get some food, and I'm gonna go get my tools, some gloves, and let's start tearing this engine out. Guys, Leo and Herb got the short blocking transmission out of the car while I was stripping the new D15B2 of all of its original parts that came off of this one, and I'm actually just swapping everything from his original motor onto this one because we know it all works. Now, I trust the homies. All of the parts on here did work in Ryan's car, but like I said, just for drastic measure, I'm going to take everything that was working on his car and just throw it onto this engine so that everything should run the exact same way. Right now, these guys are removing the transmission and the torque converter while I change all the timing belt, timing belt, water pump, and tensioner that you guys changed out, right? It does have a new alternator as well, so I'm going to swap all of that over here right now. Let's get to it. Guys, you guys know my dilemma with the water pump on the Flip RX CRX, right? So now every time I touch a water pump, I always got to check it. So this one is what it's supposed to look like, and the one that came off of Herb's engine is this freaking monstrosity. Like,
it's putting in work.
Like, okay, it puts in the work. Yeah, cars. I wouldn't say the car wasn't overheating, but he did have a head gasket issue. So he did have a head gasket issue. So I don't know if that played a big ass role into it or what, but that's not what it's supposed to look like. This is what it's supposed to look like. Now I'm sitting here debating because this engine has the water pump changed out before, right? This is new. I don't know how many miles on it, and now after looking at the propeller on this guy, I'm not too certain anymore. I don't know if I want to run this one. Herb, what do you think, man? Did you have overheating issues or not?
I did. So
you did.
Well, when it went, it was overheating.
Well, I mean, that's because the head gasket went. But I
wasn't overheating when I was driving it. Like I said, the night before, I literally drove.
Hey, how about this? How about, what's your boy, Armando?
Yeah, Armando.
Let's make him happy. We'll just use this one. If it worked, well, we're gonna use it.
It worked.
But if it was me, I would never run it.
Well, then just run now.
Roll it in, roll it in. All right, guys. So the camera died after we swapped out the parts from one engine to the other. We didn't get to record. I think recorded. The camera might have died when we were recording, putting the engine underneath the car. But wherever we left off, we have the engine planted in the car right here. I'm recording off my phone right now. Hopefully I can record the rest of the process tonight, just short clips here and there. Leo already did everything underneath the car as far as the automatic transmission and the shift linkage goes, shift cables. I already did all the axles. I already did all of the forks and you know, knuckle back into place with the LCA. Front cross member is back on. And big shout out to Herb's mom. She went to go grab us a bunch of pizza, and we just took a quick break right now. We're about to get back on this right now and try to button this up before it gets too cold. I think it's about 6:30 right now, so plenty of hours the rest of our day, and hopefully we knock this out so we can go home, relax, kick our feet up for New Year's, and let's get back to work. Guys, we're literally almost done with Herb's car. Leo's buttoning up the hose right now, and all we gotta do is put fluids in it, and we're gonna turn it on. But before we do all that, guys, Herb's neighbor just fired up his 240, and we're about to send it off for 2021. It's all good. We sent it, bro.
Yeah, I can't put it in gear.
Oh man, did you bleed your clutch? Mint 240 just sitting here. You serious? Wow. Pump the clutch and see what it does.
Trying.
You trying? Bro, we're trying to see this burnout, bro.
I need some clutch fluid or something.
He swapped in a dual cam KA and it sounds
Got any clutch
super
fluid?
healthy. Clutch fluid, brake fluids. That shit is loud, dude.
You look so sad, bro.
Oh, dude, you got
Yeah.
some fluids?
I mean,
You think you turn it off, stick it in first gear and just turn it on, see what it does?
that's what I'm saying.
No peer pressure, I'm just saying.
If it happens, it happens.
Oh, okay. It's already disengaging.
Yeah, my clutch is fucked.
Damn.
Stage 2 clutch.
Damn. That's that one tire fire right there, bro. God damn.
Oh my god, I'm shaking.
For a car that sat for a very long time, man. It put in some work.
Oh shit, that shit's still torquey as fuck. That shit is still alive, bro.
Car's hella fast.
That shit was badass, bro.
Bro, that KA is healthy, bro.
Dog, I'm telling you, dog.
I love
Dude,
it.
I used to whip it in that thing. It's
fucking
so
love that shit.
torquey, dog. I used to kick that clutch foot and I just get angle instantly.
Well, it's time to get it out of retirement. I'll tell
Yeah,
you
it
that.
is. Yes,
It's time
it
to
is.
get out of retirement,
Fuck,
man.
dude, I might be still burning over there. What the fuck's smoking?
No, that's probably just from all the rubber.
Oh, look at the cap. Look at the cap.
Oh, I see. It's a hot box.
Oh, open the hood. Open the trunk, I mean. Hold on. Ready? Who got the video on this one? Ready? Damn!
Yo, look at all that rubber on the floor right there.
Hold on, look it.
That one tire fire, baby. Putting in that work.
It is posy still, that's right. I forgot I didn't weld the diff.
Damn, dude.
Damn, this one tire's done, bruh.
Well, you know what that means now, right?
Fuck,
Time to get some new tires,
Thanks
bro.
for the help, bro.
Yeah, bro. Is that Rosie?
Yeah.